In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove choices in Google Forms, an essential skill if you are managing surveys, quizzes, or any type of form where options may need to change as responses evolve. This can help keep your forms up to date, accurate, and reflective of the information you aim to gather. Let's start by opening up your browser and heading over to Google Forms. You can do this by entering Google Forms into your search engine or navigating directly to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you should see a list of forms you've created. Click on the form you want to edit. If you haven't created a form yet, you'll want to start a new one by clicking on the plus blank option to create a fresh form. After selecting the form you wish to edit, you'll be taken to the Forms editing page. Here, you'll see your form's title, description, and all the questions you've already added. Locate the question from which you want to remove choices. You can scroll through the list or use the search feature if there are many questions. Click on the question to highlight it. With the question selected, you will see a menu containing all your options for that particular question. These choices are usually listed in a column right below the question text. To remove a choice, simply hover your mouse over the unwanted option, and a small trash can icon will appear on the right side of the choice. Clicking this trash can icon will remove the option from the list with just a click. If you want to remove multiple choices, you'll need to repeat this same process for each one. It's crucial to ensure that each choice you delete is not needed anymore, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone unless you add the choice again manually. Sometimes, you may also want to change the wording of an option instead of deleting it. To do this, click on the text of the choice, and you will be able to type directly into the field. Remember, if you make any changes you're not happy with, Google Forms automatically saves versions of your form, so you can restore previous versions if necessary. This feature is helpful if you make a mistake or decide that the original choices worked better. Now, once you're satisfied with your edits, take a moment to preview the form as a user would see it. Use the eye icon at the top right of the screen to do this. This step is important as it allows you to ensure that your form looks exactly how you want it to appear to respondents. And that's it. You've now successfully managed how to remove options from your Google Forms. By understanding how to refine and update choices in your forms, you'll maintain an efficient and effective survey tool that truly serves your needs. Don't forget to share your form again if needed, to ensure that respondents have the latest version. Thanks for watching, and happy form editing.